Welcome to this video on how to reference a chapter in an edited book using APA7th style. We'll start by looking at an example from a reference list with lots of mistakes in it. Look carefully at this incorrect example. Can you spot the mistakes? The first thing we need to do with this citation is go into the paragraph settings and choose Hanging Indent. All of the citations in your reference list should have hanging indent formatting. Next, we can put full stops next to the initials of the author's first and middle names and round brackets around the publication date. Then a full stop after those brackets. The next part of the reference is the title of the chapter. The capitalization is correct, but we need to put a full stop at the end of that title. Now we are talking about the editors of the book. For editors, you put their initial in front of their surname, which is the opposite way around for what you're doing for authors. So we'll go ahead and fix that up, putting the initial of the editors in front of their surnames. You'll also notice that there's an ampersand in between the second last editor and the third and final editor. And we need a capital E for eds. Now we are looking at the title of the entire book. We need to format that in italic font. Then we are looking at the capitalization. We only need to capitalize the first letter of the first word and any proper nouns. Now we are looking at the page range of the chapter. We can put P dot to indicate that there's a page range of multiple pages, then enclose that page range in round brackets. Capital S for the publisher Springer, full stop after the publisher, and then remove the full stop at the end of the citation, because if you have a DOI in your reference, you never end with a full stop. This is how the reference should look. Remember, for the reference list entries, when putting together a citation for a chapter in an edited book, you put the authors and the title of the chapter first, then the editors and the title of the book. Now let's have a look at some in-text referencing and fix some incorrect examples. These examples of in-text paraphrasing and direct quotation have been referenced incorrectly. How would you fix them? For the paraphrasing example, we need to change the semicolon to a comma and remove the author's initials from the citation. For the direct quotation, we need to add in a comma and also put in P dot before the page number. Here's what the in-text citations should look like. Remember, for two or more authors or editors, use an ampersand instead of spelling out and. Here's an example with the ampersands highlighted in yellow. Also remember, for three or more authors, use et al. In text. For more examples on how to reference using APA7th style, have a look at the library website, where you can also book an appointment with a librarian.